Hello everyone, this is our water quality prediction project made by machine learning. Now we can see the project based paper. It is the project based paper, and now we can see the 0 3D PPT presentation of this project. Now we can see the project simulation, like how we run this project. And our project made by Python Flask framework and using HTML, CSS for front end and the back end. In this project, in this project, we have used a random forest algorithm. It is the dataset used for this project. This dataset took from Gaggle website, and now we can run this project. And our project run by our local host. It is a local host link. It is our project landing page. Now we can give the input images. Now we can give the input data to make prediction for water quality. And our model detects a bad quality. Now we can check the different labels for making another prediction. And our model detects a good quality also. And now we can see the final document. It is a final document for this project. I hope you like this video. If you want to more video, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.